Hi guys, so if you are seeing this type of stop vehicle leave engine running warning on your Mercedes, don't shut the engine off right away. This particular message usually appears when your vehicle detects a charging issue or if it needs the engine running in order to prevent the battery from becoming completely discharged. So in this video, let's see what's causing it and how you can fix it. So when this type of warning appears, you just have to pay attention to whether you are also noticing the dim headlights, slow power windows, or multiple warning messages on the dashboard. So these are strong signs that your vehicle isn't charging the battery properly. Now, one of the most common causes of this particular problem is a weak or falling battery. So if your battery is several years old and you have recently needed a jump start, the vehicle may be struggling to maintain the proper voltage. So in many cases, you just have to simply test it, or if needed, you can also replace the battery and it can then resolve this type of warning. Now, if the battery is healthy but the warning keeps returning, the next thing that you need to suspect is the alternator. So the failing alternator may not produce the enough power in order to keep the battery charged while driving, which is exactly why Mercedes tells you to leave the engine running. Now your alternator depends on this type of serpentine belt to generate the electricity. So if the belt is loose, damaged or slipping, the battery may not charge correctly even if the alternator itself is working properly. So you need to keep these things in mind in order to fix this particular issue. Thank you.